Hello! Welcome back to another English class. Today we're going to study initial diagraph wa and sha. Let's begin. We're going to listen a little video. Okay, today we're going to study the initial graph wa, and we're going to study some examples. Let's start. We have whale, whistle, whistle, whisk, whisk, white, white. And then we have another example. We have whisk, whisker, whisper, whistle. Now we are going to study the sound sh, sh.
Ship, sheep, ship. Fish, wish, fish, wish. Short fish, wish. Shark, orange shark, dee 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 dee. Orange shark. Shh, shh. Happy shark. Ship sees the shark. Oh. Shh, a shark. Splish splash. Fish dish. In the end, a big fish wished to be a short.
Okay, so now we are going to study the sound sh, sh. For example, we have shell, shark, shoes, shirt, shorts. More example, shadow, shrimp, shoes, shower, show, short, shirt, and ship. Okay, let's go to work on a book. Okay, let's go to work on page 100. And we are going to listen and trace. So we are going to listen the audio.
Track 91. 1. Whale. Shell.
Okay, so now you have to trace the words whale and shell. Okay, second activity says listen and circle the word with the same beginning sound. Vamos a escuchar y vamos a circular la palabra que tiene el sonido inicial igual.
Track 92. 1. Whale. Whistle, banana, pencil. 2. Wheel. Cookie, jacket, whisk. 3. Shell. Apple, shoes, dog. 4. Sheep. Shirt, hat, cat.
Okay, so you are going to circle the same word at the beginning with the sound. For example, number 2, wheel. What is the initial beginning? The same. Whisk. Very good. Shell. The word with the same beginning sound. Shoes. Ship. Shirt. Now we're going to listen and write the beginning sound.
Track 93. Whistle. Shark. White. Shorts.
Okay, now you have to complete the beginning sound. Wa or sha. Okay, let's continue and we're going to work on the practice book. The activity number 1 says read and trace. Lea y trace. Activity number 2 says color the words with the same beginning sound. Coloree las palabras con el mismo sonido inicial. Shh. Okay. Color the shirt, shorts, shoes. Next. Shh. Okay, in the second square we have shark, shell, and ship. Okay, you have to color the three. The sound w. Okay. Whistle, whisk. Those two. And the last square says whale and wheel. Right. Write the beginning sound. Escriba el sonido inicial. Sh, wa, sh. Okay, and this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. See you next time.